So you didn't get this slide because I just wanted you guys to watch and to listen to what I'm doing, because explaining again can be kind of tricky, but it's really not. You just have to explain step by step what you're doing. You just explain what you did. So you're going to watch these two and then you're going to do one on your own. So for this one, it says find each difference, choose any strategy, show your work, then explain why the strategy works. So for this one, they chose it for us and kind of gave us a blueprint. So I'm going to show you what they did here. So we have 340 minus 199. Well, I know that 199 is really close to 200. So I'm just going to go ahead and cross that out and make 200. So now I have 340 minus 200. I know that 3, I'm not going to put it here because I know I need to do something different to my number before I get my final answer, because I did change this number. So with 343 minus 2 is 1, and then 4 minus 0 is 4, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So I have 140. But because I added 1, I need to add 1 again because I'm subtracting the number. So 140 plus 1 is 141. So there is my answer. So the strategy I used was to use easier numbers. And how I explained, first I subtracted 200, which is what I did here, and then I just added 1 because I had to add 1 here. So I needed to subtract an extra 1. So to further explain that, essentially I subtracted more than I needed to, so my number should be bigger, so that's why I added that 1. For this one, 653 minus 427, I think I want to draw place value blocks. So I like using place value blocks. So if we have 600s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we have 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. So there's 653. I know that I got that from over here because my number is 653, but I need to take 427 away. Well, I cannot take 7 away. I don't have enough. I only have 3 here, so I need to borrow. So I'm going to make that no longer exists. There's no more 10 there. I crossed it out, and I need to add 10 ones because I'm just moving it. I can't just magically take it away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have a total of 13 ones. Now I can finally subtract 7, and I'm going to change my color so that way you can see that a little bit better. So now I need to take 7 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now let's see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put a 6 right here. Now, I have 4 tens. The reason why I have 4 tens is because I took 1 away and I put it over on this side. So I need to take away 2. If I have 4, I can still take away 2. So I'm going to take that one away and that one away, and I have 2 left. So I'm going to put a 2 in my tens place. And then I need to take away 4 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 left. My answer is 226. So the strategy that I used was place value blocks. And this is also why I didn't have you do this, because it's kind of hard to write. Make that E a little bit better. So we have place value blocks as the strategy that I use. So first, what I did is I'm going to write this out first, or I'll explain it and then I'll write it out. But the first thing I did is I took 653. I had to regroup the 10, who had to regroup the ones. Then I can subtract my tens and subtract my hundreds. So I will pause and write that down. So I just wrote out what I was telling you. I regrouped my ones, then subtracted my ones, tens, and hundreds. So the first thing I did, wrote my number. I had to regroup because I couldn't subtract, and then I subtracted my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. Now get ready for your turn.